What if I told you that a stronger core can instantly boost your performance, stamina, and overall strength? Whether your goal is better workouts, improved athletic ability, or more confidence in daily life, these 6 core moves are game changers. No fancy equipment, just pure bodyweight power. Let's get started. 1. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a full-body cardio core exercise that builds endurance and explosive strength. They activate your abs, shoulders, and legs while pushing your heart rate up. This move improves stamina and helps burn fat fast. Keep your core tight, back straight, and move with control. 2. Plank hold. The plank is one of the most powerful exercises for men's core performance. It strengthens your abs, lower back, shoulders, and glutes. A strong plank improves posture, balance, and overall body control. Hold the plank for 30 to 60 seconds and focus on breathing steadily. 3. Push-ups. Push-ups are not just a chest exercise. They demand strong core engagement. When done correctly, push-ups improve upper body power while stabilizing your core. This move helps build functional strength that translates into better athletic and physical performance. 4. Lunges. Lunges strengthen your legs while activating your core for balance and stability. Strong legs and a stable core work together to improve endurance, speed, and overall performance. Step forward with control and keep your torso upright. 5. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks may look simple, but they are excellent for cardiovascular health and core activation. They increase stamina, coordination, and full body mobility. This exercise keeps your body energized and ready for high-performance movement. 6. Burpees. Burpees are the ultimate performance booster. They combine strength, cardio, and core stability in one explosive movement. Burpees build power, burn fat, and dramatically improve endurance. Push yourself. This is where real results happen. Add these 6 core moves to your routine 3 to 4 times a week and feel the difference in strength, stamina, and performance. If you found this workout helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more men's fitness content, and comment below. What's your favorite core exercise? Train hard, stay strong,